Hi, this is Taia from Taia Translations and welcome to this short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account on the Taia platform, create and manage your company, and onboard your team members so you and your team can benefit from using the Taia platform. Let's get straight to it. To open the Taia platform, visit our website at taia.io and click on Sign Up to create your free account. You can also reach the application by going straight to app.taia.io. This is where you'll be able to log in, but for now we must first sign up. Click on Sign Up Now here. Enter your first and last name, your business email address, and a secure password. Don't worry if you ever forget your password, you can always reset it. Great! Now that we have that done, our user account was created and we're already signed in. The Taia platform runs in any modern web browser as long as you're connected to the internet. There's no need to download or install anything, and you can easily use most of the features on your phone or tablet too. Click on the Continue to Account Setup to finish the sign-up process. Now the system will ask us how we would like to use Taia. We will select Order Translations to sign up as a client. In the next step, we decide if we want to plan on using the platform as an individual or rather as a company. We will select Company here, as we plan on onboarding multiple team members. Click on Company, then enter the name of your company. Remember, you only need to create one company. Anybody working there can then join once you invite them. I'll name my company Jurassic Park. Click Confirm, and we're good to go. Great! We have now successfully completed the onboarding process. You signed up for a user account and you have created your company. You can start creating your project straight away, but let's invite some of our colleagues to our company. Select Company Management in the navigation sidebar. Company Management allows you to manage all the information about your company, including any teams you might have, any team members, and their invites, as well as your billing information and invoices. Let's take a look at the Teams module first. A company can have any number of teams inside the Taia platform. When you created your company, a default team was already created. Let's assume we're going to be onboarding multiple teams. First, we'll rename the default team to Research and Development. Click on the pen icon to the right to start editing the team name. Then confirm by clicking here. Great! Now let's create a new team to invite our colleagues to. Click on the Add New Team button on the top right. Enter your team's name and select Confirm to finish. I'll call this one Marketing. Okay, and let's create just one more team for Park Management too. Remember, each team can only see the projects created by their team members. In my example, I want to keep Research and Development team's translation projects private, so users from other teams won't have access to any classified information by mistake. After all, it's not easy to make dinosaurs. You can also see our team listed on the left-hand navigation sidebar. You can use this to quickly navigate between different teams. That's it! We now have 3 teams ready. Let's start inviting some users to join us on the platform. Users in the Taia platform can have multiple different roles. As you were the person who created this company here, you are now the company manager. This gives you access to all teams, members, projects, and other features. A company can have multiple company managers if needed. Now let's invite John to join the Jurassic Park Research and Development team. Select the name of the team in the navigation sidebar, then click on the Invite a New Member button in the top right. First, we'll enter the email address of the person we're inviting here. Then select the role for this team member. I want John to be the team manager for this team, so I'll go with that. You can read more about different team member roles by hovering your mouse cursor over the question mark icon in the top right corner of this pop-up window. Finally, click on the plus button on the right to get this invitation ready. We can submit this immediately, but I'd like to invite another team member while I'm at it. I'll enter the email address of Dr. Wu as well. Then I'll grant Dr. Wu a full member role. This will allow Dr. Wu to create and order projects, but not to manage team members or billing details the way John can. Click on the plus icon again, and both invitations are ready. Okay, we have our 2 team members ready for invite. Click on the submit button to send out invitations to join this team in your company to their email addresses. Great! So far we have learned how to sign up for a free account, how to manage your company and multiple teams, and how to invite users to these teams. Now let's take a short look into how to set up billing details so all invoices will be issued correctly and Karen from accounting won't have to bother us about this. Your teams can have separate billing details or they can share the same billing details. I'll assume everyone at Jurassic Park is okay having their invoices issued to the same address. Let's go back and click on Company Management in the navigation sidebar. Then click on Billing to manage your billing details. Click on the Create New Billing Details button and enter all the relevant information for your company. Okay, now that we have this set up, let's assign these billing details to our teams. I'm gonna click Confirm here to finish setting up my billing details. Then click on the 3 dots extended menu icon on the right and select Assign to Teams. A window will pop up where we can select what teams to assign these billing details to. In my case, I'll select all of my teams to share the same billing details. But remember, you can also set up separate billing details for each of your teams if necessary. Click Confirm to finish and we're good to go. This concludes this tutorial on managing your company and onboarding your team members to the Taia platform. Make sure to check out our other guides and videos on how to create projects, manage your Catapult subscriptions, and other relevant topics. And if you ever need help, just click on the Help button on the bottom right of the screen. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our social media channels to stay updated on any exciting new updates from the Taia platform.